Bonjour! Today we're going to talk about the partitive article. You might have heard of articles, the words like the or a. So in French, le, la, les, un, une. They're all articles. But what's a partitive article? So we would normally translate it as some or any in English. So the word has to relate to the word after it. So the noun is going to be, as we know in French, it will have a gender, so it will be masculine, feminine or plural. So we have to change the word for some as well, depending on this. So we could have du for a masculine word, de la for a feminine word, de L apostrophe will be in front of a silent H or a vowel, and des is for plural words. So let's have a look at some examples. So je mange du pain. Je mange du pain. I eat some bread. Now bread is masculine. It's a masculine word. It's le pain. So we now put du, some. Now we don't always have to translate this in English. We could just say I eat bread, but we're going to translate it at the moment. I eat some bread. Je mange du pain. A feminine word. So la pizza becomes je mange de la pizza. I eat some pizza. Je mange de l'aubergine. Here's an example of a word that begins with a vowel. I was trying to think of a food that starts with a vowel. Aubergine. Why not? It's the same in English and French. Je mange de l'aubergine. So the L apostrophe because there's a vowel. Whether it's masculine or feminine, it doesn't change. And then for plural, je mange des frites. Je mange des frites. So des is because it's plural. So can you remember now? What would you put if you wanted to say I eat some cheese? The word cheese is masculine. We would normally say le fromage. So what would we put in to say some? Would it be du, de la, de L apostrophe, or des? That's right, it's je mange du fromage. Well done. Très bien. That's it for today. Au revoir. À bientôt.